A Rakhi is a thread that binds two souls in a bond of joy forever. A small piece of thread has more power than everything. Raksha Bandhan symbolizes the unmatched bond of love, care, and respect. But in a broader perspective, the festival of Raksha Bandhan conveys an intrinsic message of universal brotherhood and sisterhood. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on the full moon day of the lunar month or Purnima of the month of Shravan, which also happens to be one of the auspicious months of the Hindu calendar. Hence, it is called Shravani Purnima. The festival of Raksha Bandhan is also called as Rakhi Purnima, Narari Purnima, and Kazri Purnima. The day celebrates the auspicious relationship between brother and sister. A Rakhi is a decorative thread that sisters tie on the wrist of their brothers and pray for them. A Rakhi is a combination of 5 meaningful words, where R stands for relationship as strong as rock, A acceptable, K kindness to the core, H heartwarming presence, I idealistic relationship. The Raksha Bandhan festival in history dates back to Hindu mythology. As per Bhavishya Puran, Indra, the king of gods, was advised by Dev Guru Brihaspati to wear a Rakhi as a protection against his enemies when he was facing defeat at the hands of Asuras. Accordingly, Sachi Devi, the wife of Indra, sanctified a thread and tied on to Lord Indra's hand for protection on Shravani Purnima. According to the great Indian epic, Draupadi, wife of the Pandavas, had torn the corner of a sari to prevent Lord Krishna's wrist from bleeding. Thus, a bond of brother and sister developed between them, and he promised to protect her. Raksha Bandhan has some historical references too. Rani Karnavati was the widowed queen of the king of Chittor. Her kingdom was attacked by Bahadur Shah, Sultan of Gujarat, and she realized that she will not be able to protect her kingdom. Therefore, she sent a Rakhi thread to Mughal Emperor Humayun. The emperor was overwhelmed by the gesture. In spite of being of a different religion, he rushed to her help. It is said that when Alexander the Great was defeated at the hands of the great Hindu king Porus, Alexander's wife Roxana tied a Rakhi to King Porus to protect her husband from being slain. According to one mythological allusion, Rakhi was intended to be the worship of the sea god Varun. The festival is celebrated to mark the end of the monsoon season, as the fishermen now can begin fishing safely and start off with their trade. The fishermen worship the sea and offer prayers, coconut, and Rakhi to the sea god Varun for their safety. Hence, this festival is called Narari Purnima. Tying of Rakhi is not confined to a brother and sister alone. It can be tied also by a wife to a husband or by a disciple to the Guru. Women also tie Rakhis to the trees, a peepal tree or a tulsi plant, asking for the protection of nature. This is known as Vriksha Raksha Bandhan. Thus, the festival of Rakhi conveys a message that has socio-spiritual significance underscoring the need for nurturing of positive qualities, purity in thoughts, words, and deeds. This ritual not only strengthens the bond of love but also transcends the boundaries of the family. It underscores the need for the harmonious social life. This helps to broaden one's own family to the entire earth, Vasundhara, as one family. Rakhi, Rakhi, truly means reaffirming love and protection, a prayer for long life and success, keeping memories alive, happiness and laughter, innumerable shared memories. May the full moon of Rakhi fill our hearts with faith, our minds with serenity, and our soul with the radiance of happiness and peace. Happy Raksha Bandhan.